missed me? Who missed me? Who missed me? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if this is your first time here. I'm Uche and you're watching Just Uche. So I am sorry that I did not upload last week. Life happened. The title, you already know what we are doing. So we're just going to be doing a 6-month loc update. Like my journey so far. That's just basically it. So let's jump right into. Right before I got my locks, this was how my hair was, and this was when I installed them. So 3 weeks in, I already retwisted using the Bantu knot, and when it was finally a month, my retwist was already scattered. So I just carried it for 5 days. I had no choice but to start styling them in my month 1. So I don't have any pictures of month 2 somehow, but this is me in month 3. I installed cowries into my locks. My hair experienced lots and lots of budding, and this was when I knew that I was really into the game. Like I was really into this journey. So my hair's a bit dry here because I haven't moisturized it yet, but like it shrunk up so much. Like the body was intense and I was really feeling myself, even though this is what people call the ugly stage because it didn't look so good, but I was really proud. And this was month 4, guys. This is what I call wahala. This was month 4 for me. I compared so much. I hated my locks so much. I compared it so much because I didn't see anything going on. So I decided to, interlock my hair, just to have a different feel. And my sister interlocked my hair for me. So this is like the 3rd time I'll be interlocking. The first time was when I installed them. Second time I did it myself. And the 3rd time she's the one doing it. So we used cotton comb. We made use of scissors because I hadn't interlocked in a while, so it was really rough. And we made use of a crochet pin. We were very distracted, guys. We were very distracted. We actually interlocked this hair in 2 days. Okay, approximately the time frame is we used 4 hours, but in 2 days, we just had so many interruptions, but it was all worth it because the hair was really, really cute and really nice. We're going to see it real soon. So she was already done here, and I felt myself so much. I can't explain it enough. I felt I really felt so good. I felt good, guys. Just look at me. No. And this was 2 weeks after I retwisted, or I interlocked rather, and my hair was already scattered. I really did not let my hair rest in this month. So I also even went to get silver rings for my locks because I just couldn't rest. So for month 4, my trees became less obvious. I really didn't notice it at first. So that was what made me compare and hate them. But they were actually becoming less obvious. If you notice, and even became thicker. I don't know how I failed to realize, but I'm just really realizing that now it became thicker. Month 5 wash day. I was just feeling myself basically, and here's a picture after I washed my hair. Month 5 is the no stress month, no issues. It's cranked, no stress. This is month 6. I retwisted my hair using castor oil and water. I did a side, but my hair was disobedient and it just moved back. And few days later, I braided them we saw in the previous photo. And I'm just feeling myself really I'm so proud of how far I went. I could not believe, if anyone told me I was going to last till 6 months or till 6 months, I would clearly not have believed because it was a struggle, I felt so good. My locks were thick, they were clean. Okay, I actually had some lint in my hair here, but you shall get, it was really nice. I was so proud of myself. 6 months, you can't talk to me anyhow. So I styled them from time to time. I just really enjoy the goodness of this month. Here are some shots. So we have come to the end of this video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you next week.